gonna need a bigger boat.
Interestingly enough, nobody's done it yet, which is what I find interesting. It's a boat. It's not like trying to say, well, I want to build the Millennium Falcon in my backyard.
Right.
And they want to do research from the vessel, marine research in the area for sharks and other ecology, because we have a shark problem off Martha's Vineyard now in the Cape, and there was a fatality 2 summers ago. And so if we're able to basically set up as a legitimate tour operation and have people be able to enjoy the Orca, who just love the film and want to be aboard her again,